Hi children, how are you all? Welcome to our math class. Let's start with an activity. Children, all of you close your eyes. Take a deep breath in, breathe out. Breathe 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 in, breathe out. Children, open your eyes. Very good, super. In last video, we saw about big and small and near and far. Children, which is big animal? Which is small animal? Next, near and far. Which is near to the land? Which is far away from the land? Yeah, very good, very good. In today's session, we are going to see about top and bottom, on and under, above and below. First, we will see about top and bottom. Children, see this picture. There are two monkeys. One monkey is lying at the tree house and another one monkey is peeping from the back of the tree. Children, the monkey which is lying at the tree, the lying at the tree is at the top of the tree. Which is peeping from the back of the tree? The monkey is peeping from the back of the tree is at the bottom. Next, in your book page number 11, there is a concept top and bottom. Where is the boy? The boy is at top of the staircase. Where is the girl? Yes, the girl is in bottom of the staircase. Next, we move to the on and under. Look at the picture. Where is the pot? The pot is on the table. See the second picture. Where is the shoe? The shoe is under the table. Next, shall we see one more example? Children, where is the fish? The fish is on the box. Where is the joker? The joker is on the drum. See the second picture. Where is the fish? The fish is under the box. Where is the joker? The joker is under the table. Next, children, look at your book, page number 12. There is a concept on and under. Where is the girl? Yeah, the girl is on the table. Where is the boy? Yeah, the boy is sitting under the table. Next, we are going to see about above and below. Where is the tiger? Yeah, the tiger is sitting above the chair. Where is the cat? The cat is sitting below the chair. Shall we see one more example? Where is the tiger? Yeah, the tiger is above the table. Where is the dog? Yeah, the dog is below the table. Children, take your book, page number 13. There is a topic above and below. Where is the aeroplane? Yeah, the aeroplane is above the flyover. Where is the car? Yeah, the car is below the flyover. Children, did you understood? Today we discussed about top and bottom, on and under, above and below. Today our homework part is practice zone 3, 4 and 5. Practice zone 3, write T on the object that is on the top and B on the object that is at the bottom. Children, where is the cat? Yeah, the cat is on the top. So you put T. Near the cat you put T. And where is the dog? Yeah, near the dog you put B. Next, practice zone 4. Draw a smiley image for the object which is on the chair and sad smiley for the object which is under the chair. Children, where is the Diddy? Your Diddy is on the chair. So you put happy smiley. Where is the ball? Yeah, under the ball means you put sad smiley. And practice zone 5. Draw a happy smiley for the object which is above the tree and sad smiley for the object which is below the tree. And I will be posting this questions in Google Classroom also. Finish your homework and send it to me. Hope you all enjoyed the video. We will meet you soon in the next video. Thank you, children. Stay home and stay safe. Stay connected and keep learning.